In this video, we are going to discuss about what is thermal expansion. The expansion of a substance on heating is called the thermal expansion of that substance. A person is trying to open the lid of the jar, but he can't because the lid of the jar is tightly closed. So he dipped the lid of the jar into the hot water for a minute. The jar is opened easily. Do you know the reason? A solid has a definite shape, so when a solid is heated, it expands in all the directions. Length, area and volume all increase on heating. Linear expansion. The expansion in the length is called linear expansion. Do you know the reason why is the iron rim of bullock cart wheel heated before it is fitted into the wheel? And do you know why is a small gap left between two lengths of railway lines? We can perform an interesting experiment to find out an answer to these questions. All we need to do is to heat a cycle spoke. To prove this experiment, we need to take a bulb, dry cell, candle, cycle spoke, coin and two wooden blocks. Connect a dry cell and bulb. Make the circuit shown in the figure. When the tip of the free end of the spoke touches the coin, the circuit is completed and the bulb lights up. Check to ensure this. If the bulb does not light up, it means the circuit is not complete. So, check your connection properly. Now slide a paper of your book between the coin and spoke and then slide it out. That way, you would get a gap between the coin and spoke equal to the thickness of the sheet of a paper. You can observe that the bulb does not light up when the spoke does not touch the coin. Now light the candle and heat the spoke with it. The bulb light up after the spoke was heated for some time. Do you know how the spoke touched the coin after it heated? The reason is the length of the spoke expanded when it is heated. Solids expand due to heat and come back to the original state if heat is removed. That's why gaps are left in between rails while laying a railway track. Cubical expansion. The expansion in volume is called cubical expansion. Take a metal ring and metal ball of such size that the ball just passes through the ring. Heat the ball and check whether it passes through the ring. It is unable to pass through the ring. Now let the ball cool down and check whether it passes through the ring. It contracts and slips through the ring. Now you would have understood what is thermal expansion. Thank you, children.